Hi, this is the Arcus 3D P1 Buddha tape feeder, and this is lack of a proper mounting option. And so, I spent an hour today, oh, there we go, spent an hour today generating this, which is, well, it's a Lego adapter, obviously, because now I can take these guys and put them at whatever spacing I need. Okay, put them at whatever spacing I need, and lock them in place. But I need to be able to put them at here or here in order to account for this being 12 millimeters wide by itself and having an 8 millimeter tape in it. Therefore, I need to space these at 4 millimeter increments in order to account for every possible tape width. Okay, so I developed this, which is a Lego compatible adapter, and just friction fit didn't work very well at all. It was bad. I had to be so tight on my tolerances that people would have gone crazy trying to print this. So I developed this, which is basically the way it's designed is it's tall enough that those pieces can bend. So I've snapped this on and off of here about 100 times now, and it's nice and tight every single time, even if I'm in between rows. So that's that. That's what's going to get modeled into the bottom edge of here. That's what's going to get modeled into the bottom edge here. Now, this is exactly the same size. I just modeled it so I didn't have to print this out 100 times in order to get this right. So that's the latest changes. I've got the base almost ready to go. Just got OpenPNP built today, but I'm having one trouble with the capture driver, and maybe tomorrow. See you then.